Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your system meets the basics. 64-bit Windows 10, roughly 8 GB RAM and 20 GB free. Once done, enable virtualization in BIOS because emulators and subsystem performance rely on it. Next, install WSL2 if you prefer Windows subsystem for Android routes. Otherwise, download a modern emulator such as BlueStacks or Nox. Make sure to run the installer as admin so drivers and helper services install correctly, which avoids permission issues later. You now install and configure the emulator. Run the installer as administrator and accept any virtual device or driver prompts. Once the emulator boots, sign into your Google account inside its settings to access the Play Store. This step links app purchases and syncs. After signing in, tweak performance. Allocate CPU cores, set RAM to about 4 GB for smooth use, and choose DirectX or OpenGL depending on your GPU. These settings balance speed versus battery and system heat. You finish by opening Google Play and immediately updating Play services and the Play Store app to avoid compatibility errors. Install the apps you need and grant permissions when prompted. Then launch each app to confirm functionality. If an app fails to run or the emulator crashes, make sure virtualization is still enabled in BIOS, update GPU drivers, or reinstall the emulator cleanly. As a single troubleshooting tip, reboot the PC after BIOS or driver changes to ensure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.